Hello viewers, welcome back to KIC'S tutorials. In our last class we talked about Chinese tones. That's our class in Chinese language. We talked about the 4 tones in Chinese language, and I told you that the Chinese language is a tonal language. So in this class we'll be talking about the Chinese alphabet. But before we start, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, in this class we'll be discussing Chinese alphabets. Chinese alphabet. Okay, the Chinese alphabet is called pinyin. Pinyin. That is where Chinese sounds or characters are given Roman letters so that learners can be able to pronounce some certain sounds or some characters. So this is putting sounds, putting Roman letters to Chinese sounds and characters. This is basically for learners. People that are already fluent in Chinese language don't really need this. Okay, now in the Chinese alphabet or in Chinese pinyin, we have 2 categories of alphabets. We have the initials, that is the beginning sounds. That's when you have a word, the sounds that most times begin words in Chinese are called the initials, and the ones that end the words are called finals. Initials and finals. The initials are mostly made up of the usual consonant sounds we have in English language, and the finals are mostly made up of vowel sounds, either single or in combination or mixed. So first of all, before I break down the alphabet into the initials and finals, I'll have you know that Chinese alphabets are 29 in number, whereas in English we have 26 alphabets. So I'm going to be writing an overview of the Chinese alphabet first before I categorize them into the initials and the finals. So we have So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So I'll be pronouncing all these alphabets so that you can get their individual sounds. Okay, let's start with B. Po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, chi, shi, J, ch, sh, z, s, w, I, a, o, I, o, u. Okay, this is the overview. So now I'll be dividing them into the initials and the finals. And these, let me just take this out. These make up the initials. These make up the initials. So I'll be pronouncing them once again so that you can get used to it, but I think I should categorize them because some of them tend to have the same endings. Okay. Single. Okay, let's start with this group. This group mostly end with UO. Or so bo, p, po, m, mo, f, fo. So you are just substituting this here. Add to this and you get the sound. So the next, these have the sound, like let me use this. Yes, these have the sound at their ending. So d, t, n, l, g, k, h. So those are the sounds in the second group. And now the third group. From this group, you don't really get the sounds, the normal sounds you are used to in English language. These start sounding different. So G, chi, she. That's it for this group. And then for this group, ch, j, ch, sh, this group, all of them have this ending. So j, ch, sh, next, this group, we have z, ts, s. Like for the z, you pronounce it like you're pronouncing D and Z together. For C, pronouncing it like T and S together. And then S is just the normal S, you know. So Z, T, S. So they all end in the same way and they're like stretched. Z, you stretch it a bit so that you can bring out the sound. Z, S, S. Okay, that's it for this group. And the next, they're just on their own individual sounds. O, O, E, E. Okay, that is it for the initials, but I think I should go over them again and all together. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, chi, she, j, ch, sh, z, s, s, u, I, Okay, that's it for the initials. So now we go to the finals. Like I told you before, the finals are made up of some single vowel sounds, the normal vowel sounds we are used to in English language, and then some come in pairs where you join them to make the sound. So I'll be writing them out and then I pronounce them for you. Okay, we have sorry. This, 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 okay. These are the single and then the paired vowel sounds. So I'll be pronouncing them like I've pronounced before these, but I'll go over them again. A, O, E, O, U, I, A, U, ow, wo, way, sorry, you. Yes, we also have this. Yeah. You, one, yun, an, in, ang, ing, ong, yue. Okay, I'll pronounce them again. Like the normal in English. O, but this is like you're almost saying O and E. It's E, O, but this one has a little, is a bit, I don't know the word to use for it, but it's like you're trying to say ew or ew, but you're not quite saying it completely. You're just ew, ew, you're just stopping halfway, not finishing the ew sound. So ew, ew, I, A, U, R, ow, wo, ew. Remember, this is different from this. This is ew. This is u, one, yun, an, in, ang. Here, you have this ng as this sound in English language that you have when you pronounce like sing. Yes, no, that no sound. Ang, in, ong, way. Sorry, this is here. It's not actually like this, but forgot to put it here and later remembered it. That's why it's here. Way. So these are the finals. So with this, I believe if you practice more with this video, you get to become familiar with the Chinese sounds, which can help you to read and speak better or more fluently if you have been familiar with the Chinese language. But if you have not, this will help you in your journey of learning the Chinese language. So if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends. There is love in sharing. And if you have not, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is absolutely free. And hit the notification icon so that you can get updates whenever we upload a new video. Also, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Alright, until then, I'll see you in the next class.